Giving your guests a home away from home without compromising function is a gift in itself for your overnight guests. Today I will be sharing how you can create a DIY beverage station for your guests to enjoy their morning luxuries of coffee or a nightcap. I've partnered with ShopTagger. It's a free app and website that you can add to your browser, and it's my go-to when I'm looking for something that costs a little more than I'm not willing to pay for, and that's kitchen cabinetry. And using the ShopTagger app has saved me lots of time and money. You can download the ShopTagger button and you can save it in your browser. It also allows you to go to their website and shop for anything that you're looking for, and I jumped on the Home Depot website to look at some cabinetry styles and the price points. And I love the shaker style cabinetry. It's simple and clean, and we have the same style cabinetry in our family room, and I wanted to use the same cabinetry in our guest room if the price was right. I did do a small upgrade slash DIY that I will be sharing very soon. What I love about ShopTagger is that you can not only shop for cabinetry, but you can also shop for shoes, clothes, handbags, and you can save items from over 2,500 retail stores. And using ShopTagger is very simple. Just click on the item and there's a drop-down button that you can use to see if there's any price changes. You can also click if you want to be notified if the price drops or changes to 25 or 50% off, and you can also organize your items into categories called My List. And I always create a list to keep me organized, and I can refer back to my list if I need to. Give ShopTagger a try, you guys. You will not regret it. I will provide a link to ShopTagger down below. Our guest room has this recessed area where the TV is, and it's perfect for adding a beverage station because I wanted a built-in look. And the hubster and I took a trip to the Home Depot and found the perfect cabinet for the nook, so we thought. It was 3 inches too long. Plan B. We started with 2 smaller cabinets, which worked out fine. It was on clearance, it was already painted, and it was drawers and doors. You guys also may remember the nightstand that was on this side of the bed. We moved it to put in the center of the 2 smaller cabinets, and it was the perfect fit. Next, I had an adventure on trying to find a countertop that would fit without having to cut it, and the Home Depot had tons of countertops on clearance, but I wasn't liking any of them at all, so I took a trip to IKEA and found exactly what I was looking for. They had white marble, walnut, bamboo. They even had butcher block that you can cut down to size, but remember, I didn't want to cut a thing. And then I came across the perfect tabletop for only $29. I added the Keurig K-Mini Plus single-serve K-Cup that's perfect for this space. It's convenient, guests can have their coffee in bed whenever they desire to have a cup of coffee or cocoa, and it takes up very little space. Before guests go to bed, I will fill this carafe with water for them to use to make their coffee, and when it's not in use, I will put the Keurig inside this cabinet to keep it dust-free. Wake up to the smell of coffee right in your room. Everything you need to make a cup of coffee is right here on hand, right down to the cream and sugar. Just add your K-Cup and turn it on. I'm using a bathroom vanity tray to house coffee supplies, and I love that there's compartments to keep everything from shifting around when opening and closing the drawer. I'm using plastic spoons that look like real silverware instead of sticks. A nightcap taken shortly before bedtime helps you sleep. I would know because I only drink wine, but we do have guests that indulge in the hardest stuff. I made a ledger inside of the drawer. Just measure the width of the drawer and the height of your bottles, and then add an 1.5 inch lip to create an angle. There you have a customized look for the cost of foam board. Making use of the nightstand, below are 2 extra pillows, a light blanket, a set of sheets that are washed and pressed and ready for our guests to arrive. And to keep them fresh and clean, I'm using the sweater bag that's from the Dollar Tree. And providing our guests with slippers. This is something I've done for many years because I hate when I leave mine home, and I love my slippers. I have a bin filled for guests who wants or needs them. The most common question I get about this guest bedroom is the duvet cover. It's from Neiman Marcus, and I got it a little over a year and a half ago, and it's holding up really, really well, you guys. It's holding up like new, really. It's very forgiving. You just wash it and put it back on the bed. Another question I get is, how do I keep it so fluffy? It's the down comforter that's inside the duvet that gives it that fluff, and I'm sorry to say that this duvet cover is sold out, so I'm really sorry, you guys. I've also changed the area rug in the room as well, and you may remember this rug being in our loft area, and it's from my Be My Guest with Denise rug collection, and I'll link that rug down below. I hope you all got some ideas for your guest room, and this can also work in your bedroom if you have the space. Be good to yourself and be good to your guests, and I want to thank you all for watching.